Which masturbator is best for a beginner? Today, I'm going to show you a variety of masturbators. Let's explore. There's lots of masturbators to choose from, and sometimes it can be a bit overwhelming of which one to pick. Today, I'm going to be recommending 3 masturbators perfect for beginners. Let's start with the Fapper collection. The Fapper collection contains 3 different openings with an anus opening, a vagina opening, and a mouth opening, each made of a beautiful, realistic soft material. Here we have the vagina opening. Now, each different opening is available in 3 different colours of white, beige, and a mocha tan colour as well. If we remove the sleeve from this casing, we can see that the material is stretchy and flexible, so ensure a good fit. It's also ribbed and nubbed on the inside and has an inner length of 14.5 centimetres, very stimulating and perfect for beginners. Make sure to use a water-based lubricant when using, and of course make sure to clean after every use with toy cleaner and lukewarm water. If you're still unsure about masturbators but want to try something, why not try the Tenga eggs? They're a one-time use masturbator and help you experience a fantastic stimulating experience. The Tenga eggs come in a variety of different stimulating textures, and it's soft, flexible and stretchy as well. Each egg comes with a sachet of lubricant as well. They're very simple and easy to use. It's made of a very soft material, stretchy and flexible, and as you can see on this one has wavy lines and a very stimulating texture. Perfect for beginners and easy to travel around with as well. We also have the Friend with Benefits collection with a variety of different masturbators. Let's take a look at the Amelia Harper masturbator. It features a very realistic vagina opening at the front here. It's made of a stretchy and flexible material to ensure the perfect fit. It has an inner length of 12 centimetres long, and it's also ribbed and nubbed on the inside for wonderful stimulation during use. This masturbator is made of a TPR material, so it's very soft and smooth to the touch and gives it a very realistic feel as well. The inside of the sleeve is ribbed for maximum stimulation during use as well. We'd recommend to use a water-based lubricant and make sure to clean after every use using a toy cleaner and lukewarm water. There's lots of masturbators to choose from, but hopefully with this video you can start to explore which masturbator is right for you. Did you find this video helpful? Why not like this video and check out our YouTube channel and other product videos? Maybe you have a question for us. Why not leave a comment behind and we'll get back to you as soon as possible.